I'm stuttering, I'm stuttering, I'm stuttering, I'm stuttering,
Hi, this is March 5 Best Dance Crew here at Baguio City Session Road. It's coming March 5, 2010. Here are the steps to be followed. Figure 1. First, step up 1. Next, 2. Una, kanang kamay, tapos lagay sa dibdib, tapos taas ang leg, ng left leg. So pag umarap dito, ito yun. 1. Okay? First, 1. The next 2. After that, sa taas naman, 3. Tapos 4. Okay? Harap sa likod. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Yun na, 4 steps. And 1, 2, 3, 4. After nyo, next is kanan dito. 5, 6, tapos close feet. Okay? 5, then cross yung kamay. 6, kabila naman. 7, and 8. Harap tayo dito. From the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Meron na tayong 8 counts. From the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After nyo, next is the step. Dito, left leg. 1. Kasama yung kamay. Papasok. 1, 2, balik sa pwesto. Then, 3, 4. Ulit-ulit ha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, from the top tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, ito yung swing. 5, 6, full turn. Then, dalawang jump with the hands raising up. 7, 8. Okay? From the top tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Ikot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Figure 1 nyo. Figure 1, 2 times natin uulitin yan. Ready? 2 times tayo ha. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isa pa po. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, ready. Sa figure 2 naman, medyo complicated ng konti. So, all cast na to. After ng figure 1, figure 2 na. Ready? First step. And swing. Dive. 1, 2. Okay? First step. 5, 7. 1, 2. Yuko kayo. Dive. Straight ng kamay. 5, 7, 8. 1, 2. To the right. Then, 3, 4. Okay? After neto nag-dive, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Tapos tayo sa likod. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Tapos tayo left. Sarap. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Next step, stomp and kick. 5. Yun yan na. 5, 6, and 7. Blue. One more time. 5, 6, 7, stop and kick. 1, 2, and 3, 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay? Isa pa. Kanan pa ka. 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Kanan pa ka. Dito sa likod. 5, 7, 8. Kanan. Kanan. Step. Step. Boom. Pa. Take note. Dalawang step yun ha. Isa pa. Dito. Kanan. Step. Step, stop ulit, kick, close. Okay, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Ang kamay nandito sa likod para malinis. Okay? After that, next, jump to the right. 1. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Sa left naman. 2. Then step to the right. 3. And 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, harap sa likod. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? From the top tayo. From the die. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, stop. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Jump. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, next. After dyan, 5. Para kayo nagsasagwan. 5. Then stop. 6. Close it. Then other side. 7, 8. Tugtog natin. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. 6 and 7, 8. Jump. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5. Close. 7, 8. Next is the step. 1, 2. Okay, one more time. 5, 7. 1, 2. Okay, then other side cross naman. Next is 3. Nakatingin sa right side. Nandito ang kamay. Nakakross ang legs. Right leg. 3. Tingin doon. 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Paharap na tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, ang ikot to the left. Hawak dito sa binte. Taas ang pa. 5, 6, break. Break kayo. Open legs. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Break. Next, 7 and 8. Okay, harap sa likod. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, copy. Last figure. After neto nakaganon. And step to the left. Kaliwa, kanan. Kaliwa, kamay, kanan. Pero left side. 1, 2. Tapos next, nandito ka lang, stay lang yung katawan mo. 3, 4. Then travel. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Continue from the top. Figure 2 tayo from the top. From the die. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hi, I'm Wawi saying goodbye and good luck to all of you. Hope na makuha ang steps, figure 1 and figure 2. Don't forget that, kailangan malinis lang. And also, pag may mga tanong kayo, just i-inquire na lang po sa Facebook natin o kaya text me na lang po o kaya Sir Tracy or Ma'am Isabel for more information. Hello to all the contenders. Sa bawat grupo natin, mayroon 2 participants na kukunin. So sa dalawa na yon, sa isang grupo po tayo, kailangan po natin ng mag-prepare ng existing steps po natin na siguro mga 4-8 po. So kailangan po meron kayong 4-8 na nakahanda para po maganda po yung kinalabasan na prepare na po tayo doon. Kailangan po natin na paghandaan at sana po medyo critical at medyo maganda po yung execution na gagawin niyo po at gagamitin ng mga steps. Malinaw sa judges at malinis po sa mata ng tao. Yun po at sana po i-enjoy na lang yung steps and salamat sa pagsali sa Smart Body Best Dance Crew. Sa mga hindi po nakapasok at mahabol pa lang po, pasensya na po. Overloaded po tayo ngayon, pero salamat na rin po sa pagsuporta. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. And also, yung mga may text votes po to, handa na rin po yung mga participants natin na sana po dalhin niyo po yung mga mag-anak nyo o mga supporters nyo, mga fans nyo, para po may mag-support po sa inyo. So mas maganda, may criteria for judging po rin tayo, 5% po rin yung text votes at the same day po. And hopefully sa March 4, meron po tayong gaganaping general rehearsal o general assembly. I-announce na lang po namin, i-text na lang po namin or i-email na lang po namin sa inyo. Maraming salamat po and mabuhay tayo. Smart pa dito, Best Dance Crew. I'm Maui, signing off. Peace. Salamat po pala sa aking kasamang assistant, si April po. April, kumay naman dyan. Ayun. And hopefully, sana mag-enjoy tayo. Kita-kita po tayo sa Section Road, Baguio City. Friday.